Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. If you are married and separate from your partner, Australian law continues to see you as married until you are granted a formal divorce. To do so, you must complete and file an application for divorce with the family or federal court after being separated for 12 months or more. There may be other requirements if part of that separation involves living in the same house or if you have been married for less than 2 years. A hearing will be held which you may or may not have to attend, and divorce is only finalised 1 month and 1 day after the divorce has been granted. If you are in a de facto relationship, the court recognises your separation from the date you part company. However, this date may be disputed if hearings occur to order the splitting of assets. Whether it is a separation or divorce, both parties are still responsible for separating property and assets. This process can be done without court involvement. However, any dispute may lead to costly and stressful hearings. Financial agreements are contracts that detail how assets and property will be divided. You can create them before divorce or separation, saving you much heartache and cost. Financial agreements can be made binding by using careful wording, thorough details, and obtaining independent legal advice for both parties. The agreement will not be valid under Australian law if either party does not seek legal advice. While you can make an informal agreement, it will not be considered valid if one party disputes the decisions in the future. Financial agreements should include how the parties split assets, properties, debts, superannuation, and even pets. They need to be carefully worded and consider all factors. Using a lawyer-prepared template can help in this matter. If both parties cannot agree, the Federal or Family Court of Australia may hold hearings and order the division of assets. These orders are binding with serious consequences if you do not obey them. Such hearings can also be very expensive and stressful for all involved. In a court hearing to divide assets, the value of assets and liabilities are taken at the time of final settlement. If you have been separated for many years, the court will not consider who has spent more during this time. Therefore, you must finalise a binding agreement as early as possible. After a separation or divorce, there are other steps you must take to ensure your independence. These include creating a new will, removing ex-partners from your super, and changing how parties are listed on property titles. It's often useful to engage the services of a lawyer for advice with these steps. RP Emery provides quality financial agreement kits for divorce and de facto separation. These kits, which are created by Australian lawyers, have the potential to save you thousands of dollars in costly court proceedings and legal fees. Our templates can include specific provisions for superannuation, properties and pets. RP Emery can also provide access to the independent legal advice required to ensure your agreement is binding in the eyes of the law. For more information about the separation and divorce process, check out the link to our article below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut your legal costs, and deal with common legal issues, please subscribe to our channel.